Hello, welcome to Grow Together PK, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and please subscribe this channel. And now we have some basic idea of Gmail accounts and how we can create our email accounts and can use Google Docs. Now we are going to explore about Drive. What is Google Drive and how we can use it, and so let's get some details about this. So Google Drive is something like that you have a big folder somewhere in cloud where you can access from anywhere in the world. You just need to log in into your Gmail account. Okay, so for instance, if you want to save some files and folders on your somewhere that can be accessible for you, for instance, if you do not have your computer or laptop and you still want to access your files from your mobile phones or from any other person's computers or laptop, from anywhere in the world, so you need to store that in your Gmail drive. Okay, and always remember that it is very important to store files in some sequence. So what we are going to do, we are going to learn about files directory and we can easily store our data so that we can later use it and we can later find it very easily. So similarly, in this way you can manage your file directories in on your laptop or computers. So what I'm going to share with you, for instance, if I want to save something in my Google Drive, I will firstly create the new folder. So I click on this. So there are multiple options available here. For instance, I want to store some data, so there are many options available. I can create new folder, I can directly upload file, I can upload directly folder from my computer. So for instance, what I do, I create the new folder here. Let's say that I'm a student and I am in first semester and I want to save a record related to all my subject of in some folder, so that when I'll be in third or fifth semester, so that I could easily find out in first semester what I studied or read in some first semester or in particular subject. So what will I do? Let's say I added the name of the folder. For instance, I'm going to add BS. Okay, and I created this folder. So you can see that a folder has been created here. Now I double click on this. Now I am in the folder, I'm in my drive. Okay, and I am in the folder BS here. So what I'm going to do, I'm to create one more folder. Let's say right now I'm in first semester, I'm going to add first semester. Okay, so I created this. So now I'm going to click on this first semester, and you can see that I am in my drive, I am in BS folder, and now I am in first semester. Now I am going to click one on this, and I am going to click one new folder. For instance, I'm going to add this course here. Okay, and as I click on this, the first subjects folder has been created. Now I'm going to add, let's say this is my second subject. I created one more folder here. So for instance, we only have two subjects, so this is CS100 and this is English 101. Now I have some data relevant to the CS100. You can further segregate this into before, mid, or after mid, as you want. It's as per your convenience. So right now I double click on CS100, and you can see that now I am in my drive, BS folder, first semester, CS100, and here I want to upload some file. So I click on this, I right click on this, or I can click on this new, and now I am going to upload a single file. As I click on this, let's say I select this lecture number 1 PDF, and you can see that it is now stored. So we have total 15 GB storage free and you can buy storage later if you want. So we have 15 GB storage. I think it is enough if you are not storing too much images or videos. Okay, so this is my CS100 file. For instance, now I want to store something in English 101 folder. I just clicked on once first semester, and now I have two options, CS100 and English 101. For instance, I double click on this English 101, I right click on here and file upload, and let's say I uploaded this file. I selected this file and uploaded this file. So in this way you can easily manage your files. And even, for instance, you have one friend that do not have some notes, or don't have any excess of assignments, or she just doesn't work as you did. So what you can do, that you even can share your work with your friends easily. So what you need to do, for instance, you want to share first semester folder with your friend, or you want to particularly share English 101 course with your friend. So if you just want to share this English 101, you just need to click on this, right click on this, and you can share with your friend. You can add her email address here, and you can select the rights as a viewer or commenter or as editor, and you can enter your message and you can send her. And as you will click on this, your friend has access to this. You can see that access updated, and you can see that the folder, this sign shows that this file, this folder is shared with someone else. Okay, similarly what you can do, that if you want to share CS100 and English 101 or anything that is in this folder, you can select first semester as well to share. For instance, I am going to share this, and when I share this, you can see that this icon here, and that this main folder has been shared with your friend, and you can see that CS100 also changed. It means that all subdirectories have your friend has access to all subdirectories as well. So you even can change the color of your folder. For instance, this to keep it remember, for instance, you share this with your friend and you want her to update this folder, and when she update her folder, and you can ask her to change the color of the folder to particular color, so that you could know that she has added something in this folder. So these functions or features are for your convenience, as you are feel comfortable to work with them. Similarly, you can upload even a complete folder. You just need to click on this file upload, and you can select from your computer. For instance, I have this CS100 folder here, and I want to have this folder on my computer as well. I just need to right click on this, okay, and I need to press on this download. And as I pressed on this CS100 download, and you can see that preparing download zipping one file. So as okay, this folder is now available on my computer. As I click on this show on folder showing, you can see that I have CS100 with that particular lecture. So you can even download it on your computer. And when I right click on this view details, you can see complete details of this folder. It means that you are the owner and you share this with one of your friends. Okay, its location is in first semester, who is owner of this file or particular folder, who modified this, who opened this, who created this, and complete details you can check there. And these are the activities that I performed. I shared this file, I uploaded this, I created this folder with complete history you can see from here. So similarly, if someone shares some file with you, you will access from here, shared with me. Okay, if you delete any file, let's say I am going to delete this file right now, I click on this remove, and you can file move to trash. I can undo. If I undo this, for instance, so if I undo this file is again available here. For instance, now I'm going to create a file, Google Docs file here, and you can directly create this in particular folder of CS100. As I click on this Google Docs, and I can create it and share it. If you want, if it is in shared folder, so I'm going to, let's say, write the name of my file, whatever you want to write, and please try to make it relevant. You can see that this file is now available directly in CS100 folder. So in this way you can create file, you can share with your friends, and you can easily manage your data on your cloud. It means that if you have something very important and you think that you can need this data anytime, so you can store these files here. So it will be easy for you to access without any dependency of laptop or computer, and you can access from anywhere in the world. So it is easy to manage your files here, and you can share your files with your friends, and even with your teachers to get their comments easily. You can share a Word file here, and your teacher or your instructor or your boss can easily check your files and can add comments and can share with it, so it will be easy for you to work on it. So don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.